I see the guard dog. Oh my god. I see James. Dan? Today I'm going to try to enter this house, what is indeed my friend's house called James. He just bought this brand new house, and guys, he has a guard dog as well. So it's definitely going to be insane, okay? So I can't enter from this area, so we have to come over here. This is so scary. It's literally just me, James is inside, and the guard dog as well. This is probably one of the most riskiest maneuvers ever. Let's go. Enter from here. Let's go. It's open. Why would James just leave the door open? Okay. Oh my god. I see the guard dog. There's the guard dog. She doesn't see me. It's insane, bro. She's so big. Okay, guys. This is literally James's house. Quite big. Whoa. This is the backyard, I mean. This is massive. I can't believe the guard dog has still not spotted me. And as well, not only that, where's James as well, man? Okay. I see James. He's right over here. Oh my god, I can't believe it, man. He's right over there. Wait, hold on. Wait, he's gone. Look at this. That's a security camera, guys. Have to be really careful, man. I don't know where James even went. I don't know. Alright, let's continue. Alright, the security dog, the guard dog, whatever you want to call it, still not spotted me. Okay. I think what's my plan right now, guys? We can't enter the house. It's locked up, literally. I've tried off camera. I'm gonna go all the way around. Try to say hi to the guard dog without her barking. And then we'll see where James is then. Oh my god. The guard dog sees me. Okay, she's not doing anything right now. Hello. Oh my god. James's guard dog is so big. Oh my god. Okay, sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Okay. Oh my god. The tongue is so big, guys. She's kind of a playful guard dog, but she is a guard dog after all, though. But yeah, guys. Let's try to find out where's James, because I can't see him. Oh my god. Guys, I sprinted over here. I just saw him literally in the corner of my eye to my right. He's there. Be quiet, be quiet. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so good, yeah. Alright, he went off with the dog, and then I think the dog came back here, but guys, literally if you checked out James Angel's channel, I'm not even gonna put a sponsor, you know, to subscribe to his channel. Yeah, whatever, just subscribe to his channel. But he literally made a video sneak into my house, so what am I doing right now? I'm sneaking to his house. Alright, be quiet. He's leaving, let's go. I just hit that. I don't think he heard me, so let's continue. Okay. And, he's right over there. He's boxing or something. What the heck is training? Okay. I think I've had enough of sneaking into James's house. There's nothing really interesting to find. So yeah. Okay guys, so right now we're heading to this area over here. That scared me. Okay. Those were freaking birds. That scared me. Freaking the guard dog's right there. Alright guys, so I'm trying not to get James to get, catch me or whatever. I don't know where he's really gonna be. But right, like the last time I saw him he was boxing. So I think I'm done with this video guys. I'm gonna close off this video. And successful. James hasn't found us. Hey, is anybody here? Come on, okay. See if anybody's here. Yeah. See if anybody's here. I heard some noise over here. Kind of our first break-in when it just moved. Oh my god. I'm so scared. Bro, chill. I celebrated too much. I think I celebrated too much that James just heard me. He's there with... Bro. This is so scary, bro. Wait, I think he's coming. Let's go over that way. Yeah, somebody must be over there. Oh my god. No, oh my god. Bro, Tilly, the guard dog just found my secret camera hidden. No, James is gonna find me. Definitely, man. What was that, huh? What was that, Tilly? What's this? Is this a secret camera? Somebody pranking me? Who do I know? He wants to pull pranks on me. Must be one of my friends, right? Who could it be? Dan, Jason? My mom? Well, whoever this camera belongs, I'm gonna keep it. No. He just took my camera. Damn it, man. Oh my god. Come on, man. He must be... I was gonna say find me already, but I don't want him to find me. But okay. You know what? Here goes nothing then. Time to reveal that was here. I'm just gonna do that, honestly. Alright, let's go. Hey James, I'm here! Wait, what? Oh, I have my secret camera out here while somebody left. Dan? Hi. I just wanted to let you know that I've been here for the past 2 hours in your house without you knowing. And I kind of did it in a way, so yeah. What, man? Bro, your first time. I was literally going to surprise you of this house tour, literally. Oh my god, man. Can you, like, not upload that video, man? Because, like, I was going to do a house tour on my channel. Really? I'm still gonna upload this, sorry man. This is James's house. Okay, whatever, you can do your house tour whatever you want, man, but this is James's house, okay? Man, really? Okay, even if it's your first time seeing the house, really not a lot. You haven't even saw inside yet. Sorry, man, but you've been kicked out, man. And too lovely, bro. You haven't found James, really? You didn't see James? Aww. Actually, yeah, she was with me really the whole entire time, and she didn't bark or nothing one single bit. Come on, man. Well, come with me, man. You've been kicked out, man. I can't believe it, man. Just turn this video off. I don't know, man. Have your camera, man. Your secret camera. Thank you, man. Okay. Alright. Let's have to get escorted. I don't even know. I just have to go. Alright. See you guys in a sec. Hold on. Okay, man. Okay. You're getting kicked out of the house. Get out. Okay, man. I'm sorry, man. I'll never do it again, okay? I'll never do it again. I'm sorry. Yeah, man. Goodbye, man. See you later. See you later, viewers. Don't come back into my house, Dan, okay? Or no, I'm going to punish you. I'm joking. All right, have a nice day, Dan. Don't come back.